Hey everybody, so I'm going to show you a self-tending Blake's hitch. I showed you the Blake's hitch. I did a video on the Blake's hitch I'm going to link to. So that's your regular old Blake's hitch. And with the normal Blake's hitch, you have to take your hand and you have to push the knot up. But with this system here, it's going to tend itself. So when I pull down on this, I don't have to then hold myself and take my hand and push this knot up the, as you go up the tree. This is self-tending. So watch this. So when I pull, watch what happens. It's going by itself. As I move up the tree, as I take my weight off and pull down, what happens is, because I have this prusik here, it's attached to this carabiner, which then runs through this pulley. So as this side of the rope goes up, this prusik is pulling this little pulley into the knot. So it's pulling itself up. So that's called a self-tending Blake's hitch. And some people tie them different ways. I am by no means a professional arborist, but I will tell you that without this prusik and this pulley, it's a lot harder climbing. So you have to get some cordage. This isn't from Walmart or Lowe's. You have to actually get a cordage designed for tree work, for climbing, things of that nature, and make a prusik. Get you a carabiner. All of this has to be rated for climbing. It has to be approved and rated for climbing from a reputable company. Same thing with the rope. But at any rate, you're going to tie your regular Blake's hitch with a knot on the end so it doesn't pull through. And on my saddle, I use an anchor hitch. That's what I use. And it goes up into your Blake's hitch. Now this cordage, you're going to pull it up on your rope until the little pulley is under your Blake's hitch. And like I said, when you pull up, because of course if you pull down on this end of the rope, this end of the rope goes up. And that's how that works, because this rope goes all the way up over a branch and back down. It's just that when you take your weight off of the rope, put your rope into the lanyard or spikes, whatever you're using, and as you pull down, this side goes up, taking this prusik with it, and it slides this little pulley up, which forces your Blake's hitch up as well. So that's a self-tending Blake's hitch. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Be blessed.